Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is April 23, 2024, Tuesday, option expiry for FinNifty. First the levels, then we go into the power of technical analysis. So FinNifty, it closed at 21,334.20. So FinNifty, it remained flat, 0.04% down, opened gap up like yesterday, but covered the previous body, not an engulf, slightly close above there. That's why you saw that it is almost flat, slightly above than yesterday's close, which is 0.04% up, which is more or less flat. So, but still the key levels are withheld. Hence, I would say that FinNifty is on a continuation pattern unless we see some reversal happening. Yesterday, for FinNifty, we had said that the monthly upper band is something where, because the momentum is strong. So that's why that is something which will act as a very good resistance, which was at 21,756. It never went there. Then on the downward side, we had expected 2965 is a very good support, which is nothing but the weekly middle band. So hence, these levels, the middle band, upper band, the Fibonacci's are all very powerful. So hence, these are the levels one can think of support and resistance. That's what we had said. Market operated within that band. Next is BankNifty. BankNifty also remained flat. It closed at 47,970.45, 0.10% up. More or less flat. The same candle that FinNifty formed, BankNifty also formed. As far as Nifty is concerned, it closed at 22,368. Nifty also formed a solid red candle, but Nifty yesterday, if you recollect, it formed doji. Today it opened significantly gap up, but ultimately formed a solid red candle. But what is important here is that while on the face of it, it might appear as a reversal candle, it is not a reversal candle, it is more of a continuation candle, because the key levels are held firmly. As long as the key levels, which is the 50-day moving average, 20-day moving average, 20-day simple moving average, which is nothing but the Bollinger Middle Band, exponential moving averages, one can safely say that the market, the uptrend is intact. These pullbacks are all good opportunities for entry if you are a long-term investor. But as far as traders are concerned, these pullbacks will hurt you severely, particularly if somebody would have gone long at the morning. they would have lost money severely. So it's not that when market goes up or down, people will make always money. Traders should be extremely cautious. With that background, so power of technical analysis, we said that Nifty closed at the exact levels. So let's look at how the individual components performed. On the banking, we had Bandhan Bank up 1%. Along with SBI, Yes Bank jumped up by 2%. Then on the financial, Canfin Homes 1% down, along with Muthoot and M&M Finance down 3% because of some news or something that happened and the theft that happened in one of his branch in Northeast. These are all negative news, right? Negative news drive down the prices or take up the prices. But once news settle down, market will come back to its normal operating mode. IDFC, Geo Finance and LIC Housing Finance 1% up, L&T Finance 2% up. Insurance, HDFC Life 1% down, ICICI Pru Life 2% up, LIC and SBI Cards 1% up. In the oil and telecom, Reliance 1% down, Bharti 3% up. In the IT, Birlasoft and Techam 1% down, Infi, HCL Tech, LTAM 1% up, Coforge 2% up. In the consumer goods, PVR Inox 1% down, ABFRL 9% up, while Asian Paints, Bata, Britannia, Colpal, DMart, Hindustan Unilever, HUL, ITC, Page, Titan, all 1% up. Nestle up 2% with all the news events that happened. It fell. Now there is some pullback. So all those things will happen. Hence, till things settle down, it's better to stay away. On the automobiles, M&M 1% down. Ashok Leyland, Eicher Motor, Escorts, Hero Motors, Tata Motors 1% up, Maruti 2% up. On the metals, Hindalco, Jindal Steel, National Aluminium, NMDC, Vedanta 1% down, SAIL 2% up. Health and Pharma, Apollo, Cipla, Dr. Reddy 1% down, Sun Pharma big fall of 4%, Divi's 1% up, Metropolis up 2%. In the others category, Zomato 3% down, APL Apollo, Delta Corp, Godrej, IndiaMart, IRCTC, Jubilant Food, Polycab 1% up, DLF 2% up, MCX and Nykaa 3% up. With all these things, what is the level for Bank Nifty expiry today? Because it's very difficult, this kind of candles that it is getting formed. It's opening gap up, significant gap up, but then the gap up could not be sustained, it comes down, but next day again it opens gap up. That means the undertone is bullish, but during the day, the momentum, it is not able to, market is not able to maintain the momentum. Hence, one has to trade extremely cautiously. The monthly upper band, like how we said for Nifty, that's something which one can think of, which is at 48,985. As far as resistance is concerned, financial year 23-24 close, which is at 47,100, 124. So that is the level one can think of as kind of support that is available. So thank you very much. See you tomorrow.